Before starting the video, you guys might be wondering that the channel name and logo seems new. Actually, Mr. Tech Channel has now rebranded to TechiTuber. In this video, I explained how you can track your device with Find My Device feature built for Android. But all this will only work if your device is powered on and has an active internet connection. But most of the devices do not provide any kind of protection that can avoid someone switching your device off, and someone who wants to steal your device will turn it off first. So, what the app will do, it will display a fake shutdown screen which will convince the person that the phone is switched off. But when person switched off the device understood that someone unauthorized has the hands on the device. So while the display will perform a fake shutdown, it took a photo of the person and recorded an audio, capturing the sounds in the surroundings, and sent it to the person whom you set as an emergency contact. Not only the fake shutdown process, but the app can also create a fake Wi-Fi option and fake airplane mode. So you can keep your network connectivity alive and deceive the thief that he has disabled your network connection. Once emergency mode is enabled, the emergency contact will receive instructions with which she can operate your device remotely by just sending SMS to your device. You can control device from Hammer website also, but for this you need to create an Hammer account and log in into your device and on the other browser as well. So now if you know how to set up the app, you can skip to the mentioned time step to know that whether the app is safe and can you rely on it. In the beginning, it will show a demo on how to use the available fake options. After I enable the fake services, it will ask for some permissions. Now you have to enter emergency contact details and make sure the details are correct. Now enable the fake shutdown and power off your device, and you can see it took a photo and started recording. This was just a demo on how this thing will work, and to get out of it, plug in your phone to the charger. Now for example, if you actually want to shut down your device, but now whenever you will press the power button, Hammer security will initiate. To escape it, in fake shutdown settings, you need to set two different pins for the app. Now pay attention. First one is for temporarily disabling the Hammer security. That is, if everything is fine and you need to actually power off the device, you will have to use this pin. That is the unlock pin. Second one will be for emergency, that is to activate Hammer security. For instance, I want to actually power down my device, but when I click on the turn off button, it will ask for pin. Now, as you want to disable the Hammer security temporarily, enter the unlock pin, that is 111, and you can see it says access granted. That means security system has been made temporarily down, and now I can shut down, restart, or do whatever I want to do with my device. On the other hand, if there is an emergency, enter the emergency pin and security system will enable. As the app asks for a lot of permission, many think a lot of data is being collected, but on the Play Store, developers have claimed that they only collect your email address and app crash log. App has been designed keeping a lot of situations in mind, but if someone is in an emergency, there is a high chance that she can get trapped in a lot of uncertain situations. For example, if you drop your phone somewhere, the other person has removed the SIM card, you are trapped in a place where there is no network. But this app is definitely a step ahead in providing solutions than our old native mobile trackers. May you always stay protected, but such emergencies come uninvited, so you never know what kind of trouble you might get trapped. So in such a scenario, something is better than nothing. That's it from my side. Catch you in the next one.